Today, the world is heading towards a new dimension of reality at an unprecedented rate. The material world has been the bedrock for civilization until now. A new reality might be considered the only reality people are willing to live in. Let me introduce to you the metaverse. Did you know the average American currently spends 7 hours every single day looking at a screen? That's half of the daily 14-hour wake time, meaning that we have already started the process of living in the virtual universe. For the majority of the population, it's literally impossible for people to own high-end luxury cars, live in multi-million-dollar homes, and cruise on their mega yachts on the weekend. But in the world of virtual reality, the potential for living this lifestyle is very possible. In fact, if you can dream it, you can build it. In this video today, we're going to talk about a new metaverse project called METAMALL, a multi-story virtual shopping mall that is going to take shopping to a whole new level. Hey folks, I'm George Hill. I'm a passionate crypto enthusiast, trader, investor, and talk host, and I'm here to give you information on new, exciting crypto projects such as METAMALL. Just to be clear, I'm not a financial advisor, so I strongly suggest you do your own research and seek legal advice before investing in anything I talk about. This video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. If this is the first time you've come across BlockDesk Ventures, then welcome. We're a community-driven venture capital group that focuses on raising funds and supporting the best crypto projects, such as METAMALL. The aim of the community is to further progress the vision of decentralization and freedom in financial operations by powering the most innovative projects in the industry. To be able to invest in top-tier projects, from the very beginning you conventionally would have to stake tens of thousands of dollars via a launchpad just to be eligible to receive an allocation, and even then you could be fighting for a first-come, first-served basis. But at BlockDesk Ventures, the community enjoys a stress-free way to invest in some of the best up-and-coming crypto projects. As a community, BlockDesk collectively works hard in different sectors to create awareness and long-term support for the projects they invest in, and for those that can bring the most value will be eligible to receive free allocations. So if you like this content and you want to stay up to date with all the latest videos from BlockDesk Ventures, then subscribe to the channel and click that notification bell. So let's start with the abstract, which is on the white paper released by METAMALL. So it says here, ever since Mark Zuckerberg used the term meta, the world is taking notice of virtual reality and its endless possibilities. It is a three-dimensional immersive virtual successor to the internet that we experience today. If one thinks the age of social media is revolutionizing, wait till you see the metaverse. Just like the internet brought about a new era of interaction when computers and connectivity were made public, and it gave rise to new digital businesses. This new Web 3.0 will take us into the next stage of human interaction, unlocking the opportunity to build the next generation of Amazon, Apple, Facebook, and Google. Already we are seeing every major organization announcing their metaverse ventures and their own vision of the new digital world. The metaverse is a universe of connected digital avatars and endless possibilities of virtual environments. Human interaction, which is the basis of all business and social ventures, will be elevated to an augmented form where safety, security, and trust will be ensured by the structure of the technology. In this virtual world, status can be determined by how sophisticated your character's representation on the network seems to other users in terms or features they have available for their own personas at any given time. Imagine if everyone had an amazing high-quality version that never struggled with performance issues. Okay, so scrolling down to the next section here, it's mentioning how the retail is going to incorporate itself into the metaverse. So heading into the metaverse, it is obvious some virtual assets will have equal value, if not more than real-world assets. This is quite visible in the NFT microcosm already. NFTs for virtual and real-world assets are selling fast. In the metaverse, it seems as if everyone is selling something, from digital Gucci bags that sell for over $3,000 to Roblox merchandise from Zara Larsson, worth a seven-figure sum, and even 3D virtual forms of luxury brands like Burberry or Tumi. The metaverse offers an unparalleled experience in which you can virtually try on clothes from your favourite designers before making a purchase. You can now buy different types of clothing and even angel wings to make your avatar stand out from the crowd. So already you can get an idea of the type of big brands that would occupy some of these retail outlets. And also not just the retail outlets, but you've got the advertising side as well. So major companies such as Coca-Cola, McDonald's, anyone looking to advertise are going to be advertising in the meta space. So that's definitely something to consider when looking at the real estate side, is how that's going to incorporate with the big brands. Okay, so here it's got not bound of space and legacy. The design's options are endless. We can transport the consumer into any unique or remarkable environment that they want. A consumer might want to shop for a handbag on Mars. The sky's the limit in terms of what we can do. Why design an exact replica or of a traditional mall when you can instead shop in outer space? Would you rather buy clothes or shoes that you saw on a model or influencer as opposed to trying them on yourself in the metaverse? The METAMALL metaverse is conceived as an idea that will deliver every element in the virtual world that will be boundless in terms of imagination. The utterly quirky artists and designers will be able to structure their wildest imagination with the help of developers to deliver exclusive VR spaces meant for immersive shopping, completely new e-commerce for digital and real-world items, try clothing, shoes and other items of utility with VR and AR technology. Immersive retail, experience your next car in the VR world before making a purchase, or check out the latest gadget in a realistic VR delivered experience. And immersive business, consulting, meetings and other businesses. Interactions will take a new form in the METAMALL metaverse. So the next section is space NFTs. The entire METAMALL metaverse is made of NFTs, which means the space, real estate, land is a collection of NFTs which can be traded easily with absolute ownership using blockchain technology. Smart contracts secure transfer of property and make transactions secure for the purposes of selling, leasing, renting, and staking NFTs in the METAMALL metaverse. So the NFT structure behind METAMALL is the single most important part of how it's going to function and how it operates. So we got the retail side and we've got the real estate side. With the retail side, we've got the sales of artwork and skins all throughout the shops for your avatar. And then on the real estate side, as it said, not only can you own the real estate, but you can also lease and rent your real estate to earn a passive income. If we have a look at the land sale section on their website, we can see here that there is a total of 5,714 spaces to purchase, and there is 2,740 free spaces in the pre-sale. So on this chart here, we can see the different types of real estate that is available to purchase in units. So first of all, we've got the cube, which is 1 unit, cabin, which is 4 units, club at 16, chalet at 50, and chateau at 400. Now looking at the prices of these, they vary from $360 for the smallest up to $43,200 for the largest, which is the chateau. So for visualization purposes, if we scroll down here, we can see the NFT cards that have been made to illustrate the different type of real estate zones you can buy, starting from the cube down to the cabin, club, chalet, and chateau. So here we can see a detailed illustration of what the 3 levels of the METAMALL NFT spaces will look like, and you can see that they got the coloured zones matching the NFT spaces at the bottom here. So next we're going to have a look at the METAMALL NFT Marketplace. So all the NFTs that are going to be displayed all throughout the shops, whether it's skins, artworks, or any other type of NFTs, they're all going to be designated into the METAMALL NFT Marketplace, keeping them all in one place basically. And any NFTs that are going to be for sale on the NFT Marketplace are more than likely going to be displayed within the METAMALL retail areas. So this next part's quite interesting for your NFT character within the METAMALL platform. So it says, every user on the METAMALL metaverse will require a character or avatar which will be a unique NFT. The unique NFT characters will facilitate immersive interaction and an identity in the metaverse. It can be considered an access pass or a ticket to the METAMALL metaverse. The NFT characters are used as access passes to MetaMall Metaverse to ensure an immersive and engaging experience for all the Metaverse users. The NFT characters can be customized, produced, and traded within the platform, providing a unique look and identity to the characters based on the choice of the owners. Certain capabilities or feature items can be added to the characters, i.e., jetpacks or celebrity-inspired skins. The developer aid section here says, although MetaMall provides infinite possibilities for character customization, the platform will be open for VR developers to add their own creative version of custom items that can be purchased by users for desired traits to be added to a character NFT. So even at early stages, they're already planning on how you as an individual can customize your avatar to look completely different to everyone else's and having full customization to the features and the skins. Next, we're going to have a look at the tokenomics structure and the network chosen by MetaMall. So here it says that Solana has been carefully selected to facilitate scalability, fast transaction settlement speed, and low fee for transactions. Now, it makes sense why MetaMall didn't build their blockchain technology on Ethereum, because you wouldn't want to be paying $30 to $50 transaction gas fees just to buy an NFT. So the MetaMall token name is MALL, M-A-L-L, and they're going to make a total supply of 10 billion MetaMall tokens. So the token will be distributed in the following percentages. 6% will go to the seed, 8% will go to strategic, 2.5% will go to the private sale, 0.8% will go to the public sale, 10% will go to the team, 8.5% will go to the advisors, 5.2% will go to strategic partners, 25% will go towards the ecosystem development, 4% will go to liquidity, and 30% will go towards the staking rewards. So the monies raised so far for the MetaMall project are $4.6 million. So starting with the seed round, which raised $1.2 million, the strategic round raised $2.4 million, and the private sale raised $1 million. Now, when the project goes public to the IDOs, it will raise another $400,000, calculating the total monies raised of $5 million for the project. The partners and investors behind MetaMall are too many to mention, but I'm going to display them on screen here for you to quickly have a look through. Also, BlockDesk Ventures has also just recently invested into MetaMall, so that will also be updated on the portfolio soon. Okay, so next we're going to have a look at the team and advisors behind the MetaMall project. The two main entrepreneurs that are behind MetaMall are Serge and Sahan Ray. So Serge is the co-founder of MetaMall and is a serial entrepreneur. He has 12 patents on 3D and VR imagery, founded Egg Solution Optronics, in 2001 become the leader in immersive technology. The company was initially based in France and later was acquired by a US technology group. Serge co-founded Moshka and scaled from 0 to 20 million with 300 clients across the globe like Amazon, Kmart, Flipkart, etc. Moving over to Sahan Ray, we can see that he's led planning and execution of major projects at Benetton, India, achieving GMV of more than $200 million as AVP of revenue at Jabong, leading business leadership team driving 40 times growth in 23 months to cross $2 billion annual trade at udan.com. So hopefully, by combining Sahan and Serge's contacts and knowledge and experience of running multi-million pound companies in the technology sector should bring great experience to the MetaMall project. Now, continuing down to the other team members, we can see here that we've got Moon Cole, who is a crypto influencer and investor. We have Vincent Lee Liao, also known as Vinny, who is a co-founder at Crypto Roundtable and CRT Capital. We have Sundeep, who is a former Trust Swap Core team member, and Edward, who is an entrepreneur, Swiss private banker, investor, and crypto advisor. And we have Maria, who is a crypto influencer and investor. So as we can see, the team so far has some heavyweight players on it, and it has grown since I last checked it. So hopefully the team will continue to have healthy growth and recruit more and more heavyweights to help the success and the growth of the MetaMall project. So lastly, what we're going to do now is have a quick look through the roadmap and see what MetaMall has planned for the next year. For the fourth quarter of 2021, they completed the private sale round, the strategic sale round, the MALL token development, seed funding round, and the metaverse conceptualization. For the first quarter of 2022, MetaMall will have decentralized exchange and private exchange listing, first NFT real estate sale, NFT Marketplace launch, and the public sale. In the second quarter of 2022, METAMALL will hold a staking launch, second NFT real estate sale, private VR experience launch, metaverse VR gaming launch, and open VR development SDK release. For the third quarter of 2022, scaling of engagement, trading, shopping and staking, launch of brand stores and experimental centers, and VR development for owners. There's one last thing I wanted to mention about METAMALL, and that is their fan engagement so far. So on their official Twitter, they've got 56,000 followers, and on the METAMALL announcement for the Telegram, they've got 24,000 subscribers. So considering that METAMALL isn't even publicly available to invest in yet, already the fan engagement is huge. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video and want to stay up to date with all the latest releases from BlockDesk Ventures, then don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click that notification bell, and we look forward to seeing you in the next one.